Hey loves, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll basically be showing you guys how I do my super easy, quick, minimalistic half up, half down. This hair is from DSoar hair. I got 4 bundles of 26 inches of their Malaysian hair and a 20-inch frontal, hence why the frontal looks so short. But like, I'm pretty sure like once I wet it, like it blends in, so it doesn't look that short, like it just all comes together. So this is where it's at. I came out the shower like 20 minutes ago, and this is the state of dryness that it's in. It's like currently semi-damp, but I show you ladies how to get you know, this sleek, simple looking half up, half down thing. You definitely can do a little top knot, like if you wanted to. It could have been like this, but yeah, we cute or whatever. So you could leave it down or you could put it in a top knot. Both of them is cute to me. So without further ado, let's just jump right into the video. Thank you DSoar hair for sending me this Malaysian curly hair, and if you'd like to purchase it, the links will be in the description box below. Don't forget to check out the links. There should be a coupon code below, a couple coupon codes. It should also be my social medias as well as DSoar social medias. Don't forget to check out my Instagram, and I do use Twitter now, which is the same handle as my Instagram, which is @DanielleNaomi. So if you'd like to see pictures of me wearing this hair or more of this hair, videos and so on and so forth, I would definitely encourage you to check out my social medias as well as DSoar social medias and their website. So let's get right into the video. Okay guys, so you know how I said I was gonna wet the hair. I ended up having to wet it because after like sleeping on it and stuff like that, like it definitely got like, you know how curly hair gets if you don't detangle it, so it got like that. But this is what it looks like. I just came off the shower and beat my face, so it's like damp, like the ends are wet, but it's cute. I like it. And it didn't get too frizzy. I didn't use anything. I shampooed it like earlier. Then when I got in the shower, I washed it again, and then now we're here. So I'm gonna fix my baby hairs up, and I'm about to go to dinner, like with my friend. Ugh. So honestly, like all I need to do is a little swoop, swoop, swoop. And how I'm gonna put my hair up in a half up, half down with no rubber band? Like I'm trash at this point. So like I literally did my makeup again in like 15, and like this was off camera because I came out the shower at like 9:36, and then I stopped doing it at like 9:48 is when I came out the bathroom to get dressed. And yup, I'm wearing this camo shirt to go eat some food because it ain't never that deep. But yup, I just swooped my edges with got to be like this. How you know I use the product for real? Like people be saying, oh, I use this, I use that, and trying to mislead you. When it look like this, it's been used. It's an issue. Okay, so now I'm gonna like use a little bit more. I'm really trying to hurry up because my friend's been saying that she hungry, and I'm trying to be very considerate. I'm trying to be on time these days, you feel me? So I'm gonna push the hair back because it's a half up, half down. Technically, like not really, because I'm only gonna, ooh, yes, yes girl, yes. I'm gonna be just putting up like a little bit of the hair, so you know you can comb it in place, make it mad flat. And this is, wait, okay, see, this where the fucking perfectionist side comes out, and it should never be that. Like not right now, maybe tomorrow. Okay, so this side part good, this side probably, yup, something like that. All right, cool, we got it. So now I'm gonna come back when I find a rubber band. Okay, so I found me a rubber band and it just fell, but you know we're still living. And they sent me some curly hair in the length 424 inches and 20-inch frontal. So it's like just a simple little half up, half down. I wish this hair would go. And then boom, so here you go. Like, she's ready to go. Okay, we're up and out of here. So this is what it looks like. It's really minimalistic. It's not too much, the way I like it. And yeah, that's it. So thank you so much for watching. The links to this hair will be in the description box. You can also put it up in a top knot, but we're not about to do all of that when we gotta go out to eat. So yeah, I'll see you lovely ladies in the next one.